Welcome back to GrowFin, where we bring you the best tips to grow your financial future. If you're looking for remote jobs that offer great pay and flexibility, today's episode is for you. We're covering 15 top companies that are always hiring for work-from-home positions, and these are worldwide opportunities. Stick around and I'll guide you through how to find and apply for these jobs. First, let me ask, are you ready to turn your home into your office? If so, let's kick things off with the e-commerce giant that's practically a household name. Amazon. Amazon frequently hires for remote roles in customer service, project management, and tech support. To get started, head over to amazon.jobs. From there, filter by remote career opportunities and submit your application. Not only does Amazon offer great benefits like healthcare and retirement savings, but the flexibility allows you to manage your schedule. They offer something for almost everyone, whether you're tech-savvy or good with customers. Next, imagine working from your home office with health benefits, retirement savings, and more. CVS Health makes that dream a reality. CVS Health. This healthcare giant is always hiring for remote jobs in customer service, pharmacy tech, and IT. To apply, visit cvshealth.com/careers, filter by remote jobs, and submit your resume. CVS offers top-notch benefits, including medical, dental, and vision insurance, PTO, and a 401k match. Whether you're in healthcare or administration, this company has roles that suit a variety of skills. Ready to make a difference in healthcare? How about doing it from your living room? Humana. Humana offers remote jobs in nursing, IT, and administration. Check out careers.humana.com, search for remote positions, and apply online. This company stands out for its paid volunteer time, 401k match, and health insurance options. If you have a healthcare background or administrative experience, this is a great company to explore. Next up, ever dream of working in the travel industry? This company offers remote work from anywhere in the world. Hopper. Hopper, a travel deal website, is a fully remote company with roles in customer service and data science. Apply at jobs.lever.co/hopper. They offer benefits like stock options, paid time off, and health insurance. Hopper is perfect for those who love travel but prefer working from the comfort of home. Feel like a marketing pro? Let's talk about the next company on our list, known for its innovative CRM software. HubSpot. HubSpot offers remote jobs worldwide in marketing, sales, and customer support. To apply, visit hubspot.com/careers, filter for remote roles, and submit your application. What sets HubSpot apart? Their benefits include unlimited vacation and a paid sabbatical, making it an ideal company for people who value work-life balance. Are you a freelancer looking for a steady gig? Then you'll want to check out this next one. TopTool. TopTool connects top freelancers in tech, finance, and design with clients. This is a perfect platform for independent professionals looking for flexibility and high-paying gigs. Go to toptal.com/careers to join their network and apply. Let's switch gears to a company that excels in customer service and IT outsourcing. Sutherland. Sutherland hires for remote roles in IT and customer service. To apply, visit sutherlandglobal.com/careers and filter for remote jobs. They offer a range of flexible positions, making it a great fit for those with a background in tech or client services. Now imagine working for a company that allows you to work from anywhere in the world. Transcom. Transcom is a global leader in customer service outsourcing. Visit transcom.com, create an account, and apply for roles in customer support or technical services. Looking for something in finance, HR, or law? Our next company has some of the best remote opportunities in those fields. Robert Half International. Robert Half is a top staffing agency with remote roles in finance, HR, and legal work. Visit roberthalf.com, search for remote jobs, and apply directly. This is a great place for professionals looking to stay in their field while working remotely. Want to contribute to cutting-edge biotech while working remotely? This company has the opportunities you need. Thermo Fisher Scientific. This biotechnology company offers remote positions in sales, customer service, and project management. Visit thermofisher.com/careers, filter for remote jobs, and submit your application. Next up is a healthcare tech company transforming the industry. Change Healthcare. They offer remote positions in consulting, management, and engineering. Head to careers.changehealthcare.com to search and apply for roles. If you're into science and consulting, you'll love this next company. Parexel. Parexel is a biopharmaceutical services provider offering remote roles in project management and consulting. You can apply at parexel.com/careers. For all the writers and editors out there, this one is for you. Cactus Communications. Cactus Communications hires remote workers for editing and content creation. Visit cactusglobal.com/careers, create an account, and apply for their remote positions. Want to work for a global hotel brand? This company offers remote positions in guest services. Hilton hires for remote roles in guest services and reservations. To apply, visit jobs.hilton.com, filter for remote, and submit your application. Finally, if you're looking for flexibility in customer service or admin roles, here's the company for you. Kelly Services. Kelly Services offers remote jobs in customer service and administrative work. Visit kellyservices.com, filter for remote positions, and apply online. And there you have it. 15 companies that are always hiring for remote jobs worldwide with great pay and benefits. Applying is easy, just visit their websites, search for remote jobs, and submit your resume. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you've had success with any of these companies or what other work from home opportunities you're interested in. Stay tuned for more tips and updates right here on GrowFin.